Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Emma.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel fresh this morning.
That's nice. I woke up a little late today.
Really? What time?
Around 7:30.
That's not too late.
I know. Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What would you like for breakfast?
Maybe eggs and toast.
Sounds good. I'll make some tea too.
Great. I'll make coffee.
What are your plans for today?
I need to go to the bank and buy a notebook.
Nice. I need to buy groceries and clean my room.
Looks like we both have a busy day.
Yes, but the weather is nice today.
That's true. It's sunny outside.
Perfect weather for going out.
I agree.
Maybe we can visit a coffee shop later.
That's a great idea.
All right, let's make breakfast first.
Yes, let's get started.
The eggs are in the fridge.
Great. I'll get them.
I'll put some bread in the toaster.
Good idea.
How many eggs do you want?
2 eggs are enough for me.
Okay, I'll make 2 for myself too.
Perfect.
Can you pass me the frying pan?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you like your eggs fried or scrambled?
I like scrambled eggs.
Me too.
They are easy to make.
Yes, and they taste great.
The coffee is ready.
Nice. My tea is almost ready too.
Breakfast is coming together.
It sure is.
Do you usually make breakfast every morning?
Most days, yes.
That's a good habit.
What about you?
Sometimes I make breakfast, but sometimes I just grab a snack.
A healthy breakfast is important.
I know, it gives you energy for the day.
Exactly.
The toast smells really good.
It does.
Do you want some butter on your toast?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
No problem.
Everything is ready now.
Great, let's sit down and eat.
This looks delicious.
It really does.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes.
Pancakes are delicious.
Maybe we can make them this weekend.
That's a wonderful idea.
I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too.
Well, let's enjoy our breakfast.
Yes, let's eat.
Alex, what do you want to do today after breakfast?
I think we should plan our day first.
Yes, good idea.
Let's make a small list.
Okay, I have a notebook.
Great. Write everything down.
What is the first thing?
I need to go to the bank.
All right, bank first.
Then I want to buy a new notebook.
Okay, I also need to go grocery shopping.
We can go together.
Yes, that will be easy.
After that, maybe we can take a coffee break.
I like that idea.
Do you have anything else to do?
Yes, I need to clean my room.
You can do that in the evening.
Yes, that works.
What about lunch?
We can eat outside.
Or we can cook at home.
Cooking at home is better.
Okay, we will decide later.
What time should we leave?
Maybe at 10 a.m.?
That's fine for me.
Perfect. We can finish everything early.
Yes, and then relax in the evening.
I agree. We should not rush.
Right, a calm day is better.
Let's check the weather again.
Okay,
It's still sunny outside.
good. No need for an umbrella.
Yes, perfect for walking.
So our plan is ready.
Yes, bank, shopping, coffee, and then home.
Sounds simple and nice.
I like simple days like this.
Me too.
All right, let's get ready now.
Yes, let's start our day.
Do we have everything on the shopping list?
Let me check. We need rice, milk, eggs, and vegetables.
We also need some fruits.
Yes, apples and bananas.
Do you think we should buy some juice?
Orange juice sounds good.
Let's get the rice first.
Here it is.
Should we take 1 bag or 2?
1 bag is enough for now.
Okay.
Now let's get the milk.
Do you want full cream milk?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. What's next?
Eggs.
These eggs look fresh.
Yes, let's take this pack.
Now we need vegetables.
We need tomatoes, potatoes, and onions.
These vegetables look very fresh.
I agree.
Let's get some fruit now.
These apples look nice.
How many should we take?
6 apples should be enough.
And 1 dozen bananas?
Perfect.
Now let's get the orange juice.
Here it is.
I think we have everything now.
Yes, we followed the list perfectly.
Shopping is much easier with a list.
Definitely.
That was quick.
Yes, and now I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Maybe we can have coffee after this.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm glad we finished grocery shopping.
Yes, it was quick and easy.
I feel a little tired now.
Me too. This coffee break is nice.
It really is.
My coffee tastes great.
And my tea is very good.
It's nice to sit and relax for a while.
Yes, we've been busy all morning.
The weather looks beautiful outside.
It does. Sunny days always make me feel better.
Do you often visit coffee shops?
Sometimes. I like the peaceful atmosphere.
Me too. It's a good place to talk and relax.
How is your sandwich?
Very fresh and tasty.
My muffin is delicious too.
Perfect for a small snack.
We've already done a lot today.
Yes, but we still have a few things left to do.
That's true.
We need to go to the bank later.
Right, I almost forgot.
Let's finish our drinks first.
Good idea. I'm enjoying this break.
Me too. It feels very relaxing.
Small breaks can make a big difference.
Exactly. They give us more energy.
Are you ready to continue after this?
Yes, I feel much better now.
Great. Let's finish our drinks.
Okay, then we can continue our day.
Alex, I think we are not on the right street.
Yes, I also feel the same. Let me check again.
Is the bank still far from here?
I'm not sure. The map is a little confusing.
Maybe we should ask someone.
Yes, but it's just us, so let's figure it out together.
I think we should go straight first.
Okay, let's try that.
Wait, this road looks different.
Yes, maybe we took the wrong turn.
Let's stop here for a moment.
Good idea. Let's check carefully.
The bank should be near the main road.
Right, I remember that too.
So we should go back a little?
Yes, let's go back and take the other street.
Okay, I trust your direction.
I think this way is better.
I hope we don't get more lost.
Don't worry, we will find it.
Sometimes maps are not very clear.
Yes, but walking helps us understand the area.
I like exploring new streets.
Me too, but today we are a bit busy.
True, we still have many things to do.
Let's focus and find the bank first.
Yes, that's important.
I think I see a sign ahead.
Really? Is it the bank sign?
Yes, I think so. Let's go closer.
Finally, we are on the right path.
Yes, now it looks correct.
Great. Let's continue.
Yes, we are almost there.
Alex, I need to buy some clothes today.
Yes, I also need a new shirt.
Let's go inside this store.
It looks nice and clean.
I like the shirts in the front.
Yes, they have good colors.
Which color do you like?
I like blue and white.
Blue is a good choice.
What about you?
I like light pink and black.
That's nice.
Let's check the sizes.
Yes, I need medium size.
I think I need small size.
Let's try these shirts.
Okay, I will try this one.
I will try this blue shirt.
How does it look?
It fits well. I like it.
Let me see.
What do you think?
It looks really good on you.
Thank you. You also look nice.
This shirt feels comfortable.
Yes, the fabric is soft.
Should we buy these?
Yes, I think we should.
Let's go to the counter.
Okay, I will carry them.
This store is not too expensive.
Yes, the prices are good.
I like shopping here.
Me too. It's simple and easy.
We still have more places to visit.
Yes, but we are doing well today.
Let's finish quickly and move on.
Agreed. We are almost done here. This restaurant is really nice.
Yes, I like the atmosphere here.
It's clean and comfortable.
What are you going to eat?
I think I'll have chicken and rice.
That sounds good. I'm having pasta.
Nice choice.
The view from here is nice.
Yes, I like sitting by the window.
Are you tired today?
A little, but I'm okay.
We've done a lot today.
Yes, shopping and walking all morning.
But it was fun.
I agree.
I'm really hungry now.
Me too. I can't wait for the food.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Usually rice and meat.
That gives a lot of energy.
Yes, especially on busy days.
What about you?
I like something light, like rice or salad.
That's healthy.
Our food is here.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Yes, and it smells great.
Let's start eating.
Good idea.
This pasta is really good.
My chicken and rice is very tasty.
Do you like eating out?
Yes, but not every day.
Same here. Home food is usually better.
True, but today was a busy day.
We deserved this meal.
I agree.
After lunch, we still need to go to the pharmacy.
Right, let's finish eating first.
Yes, slowly and peacefully.
Sounds good.
Alex, I think I need some medicine.
Okay, what happened?
I have a slight headache.
Oh, are you okay?
Yes, it's not too serious.
That's good.
I just need something simple for the headache.
Yes, basic medicine should help.
I think I'm a little tired.
We had a long day today.
That's true. We've been busy since morning.
Maybe that's why you have a headache.
Yes, maybe.
You should drink some water too.
Good idea.
Do you feel a little better now?
A little. Just resting helps.
That's good to hear.
The medicine should help even more.
I'm sure you'll feel better soon.
Should we go home after this?
Yes, I think we should relax.
I agree.
We still did a lot today.
Grocery shopping, coffee, and lunch.
Yes, it was a productive day.
But now it's time to rest.
Definitely.
Let's go home and relax.
Sounds good.
Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome. Let's head home.
Alex, what should we make for dinner?
Let's make something simple.
That's a good idea.
We already bought groceries today.
Yes, we have everything we need.
How about rice and vegetables?
That sounds healthy.
And it's easy to cook.
Perfect. Let's start.
Can you wash the vegetables?
Sure, I'll do that.
Thanks. I'll prepare the rice.
Cooking is more fun when we do it together.
I agree.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, but only simple meals.
I'm the same.
Complicated recipes take too much time.
Exactly.
The vegetables are looking fresh.
Yes, we picked good ones today.
That's true.
The rice is almost ready.
Great. Everything is going well.
What was your favorite part of today?
I think the coffee shop.
Really?
Yes, it was relaxing.
My favorite part was the park.
The park was very peaceful.
We should go there again.
Definitely.
Dinner will be ready soon.
I'm getting hungry again.
Me too.
It smells really good.
Yes, it does.
We make a good team in the kitchen.
I think so too.
All right, dinner is ready.
Great. Let's sit down and eat.
Sounds perfect.
Alex, today was a really nice day.
Yes, it was. We did many things.
We started the day with a good breakfast.
Then we planned everything carefully.
That helped us stay organized.
I agree. The day went smoothly.
We also finished our shopping.
Yes, and we bought everything we needed.
The coffee break was relaxing too.
It was one of my favorite moments.
I really enjoyed our visit to the park.
The park was peaceful and quiet.
It helped us relax after a busy day.
Definitely.
What was the best part of today for you?
I think spending time together.
That's a nice answer.
What about you?
I enjoyed all the small moments.
Sometimes simple days are the best.
Yes, they are.
Did you finish everything on your list?
Almost everything.
That's good.
What about you?
Yes, I completed all my tasks.
Great job.
Thank you.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet. Maybe I'll take it easy.
That sounds good.
And you?
I might do some reading.
That's always a good idea.
I'm feeling a little tired now,
Me too. It's been a long day.
but a productive day.
Absolutely.
I think it's time to rest.
I agree.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Emma.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.